What up, man? It's your boy Dbonds back with another solar video, man. I'm showing y'all this little setup right here. I got this from Temu. Got this from Amazon. From Temu as well. These panels from Temu. For emergencies, if anything ever happen, y'all can invest in a little change in this. This don't even cost $200. This is like $150 or less. And it really comes in handy, man, with a lot of stuff. As y'all seen before in the other videos, let me remove this. We've been using this battery right here, which is the Goldenmate Lifepo4 battery, the 10 amp, and it works pretty good. It depends on what you charge up to it. Well, plug up to it, like a TV or a little fan or something like that. And with the right solar panels, which is these are 50 watt a piece, which is 100, so it'll do good with this 10 amp battery. Even though I would recommend getting a higher one, but you know, we gonna work with what we got. And not to get off topic, but y'all know I got this baby over here, my other EcoFlow, charging up with the Livion. You feel me? Let me see, how many is this? 33 watts going in right now, as y'all can see. 33 watts. It's at 42. It was on 41. And it's gonna take 4 hours to charge. So I'll take that. But not to get on topic, I'm talking about this baby. Alright, so for emergencies, if you need a air tire, air pump, anything, if you need to even charge your EcoFlow, it will come in handy. If you lose your cigarette lighter adapter for the EcoFlow, don't even trip. It could be charged by USB, the car cigarette lighter, the solar, and an AC cord, which is pretty sweet. So without further ado, let me show y'all something. You heard me. Now I do recommend using a smaller inverter for what we running. So let me go ahead and get that baby. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we had to move location, you feel me? We're gonna be plugging this up. We're gonna be plugging this air pump up. We're gonna be plugging this fan up. And we're gonna be charging the radio. And not to forget this EcoFlow too. Now it does run some voltage down. We're gonna start with this one first. This would be good for emergency, man. If you need to pump your tires, things like that. And this right here goes to a cigarette lighter. Here we go. All right, yeah, see it's not on right now, but once I press this, bam, it's on. Let's see. I think the lock thing on here. Try to take it off. Unlock. Here we go. Button right there. Look at that. That's alright. So it used a couple volts. Let me show y'all. 3.2. Oh. What did I do? Oh, forgot to turn it on. Silly me. It's on. I don't know why. That's not bad. So you can just, you know, go to your little tire. You go to your little tire, give it a little air, boom, bam. You know what I'm saying? So that works. Now we're gonna turn it off. Now it's back to 13.1. It's not bad. Getting stuff like this for emergency, man. If you got kids, you can't beat this. So next thing we're gonna try now is the fan. But with the fan, we're gonna be hooking it up with this 150 watt inverter. So let me unplug this right here. Unplug that. Now we're gonna try this right here. Right there. Now we're gonna see this light turn green right here on the side once I push this button. Red, green. Alright, so it's green. Now if y'all don't know, if your inverter turns red, that means something is wrong. That means your wires or something is loose or something is wrong with your cord. It might have a malfunction, anything like that. But other than that, it should be green. The green means it's good to go. So let's make sure this thing ain't on. Let's see, here we go. Alrighty, let's turn it on. It's first stage mode. And I'm trying to zoom in for y'all. See the wattage? It's jumping from 12.9 to 12.8. I'm gonna go a little faster. Next one, next settings. I go to 12.8. It's jumping from 12.8. It's jumping from 12.8 to 12.7. And let's see. And for the last one, on the high, 2.7. This at full speed. Full speed. So yeah, man, if you wanted to, like, you know what I mean, take that joint anywhere, boy, that's all you need. But I do recommend a bigger solar panel and a bigger battery. But for emergency, you can't beat this. Let's try the radio. It went back to 3.0, so that's good. I think we'll pretty much run you all day. Let's do the radio. Let's see. See the red light? It's charging up. Go off and turn green. There we go. Let me see.
Frequency mode.
Hey, let's turn on some tunes real fast.
Speed rail project may be heading toward a dead end. The U.S. Department project for missed deadlines, inflated ridership claims, and major budget issues. Republican Congress is no viable path.
It's not bad at all.
The project is already tens of $billions over
I don't run the lights. That's a good thing. You can run this thing for forever. This thing ain't gonna never run out, you know? Let's turn this thing off.
Scott just announced Silk and Chef.
Alright, that's enough of that thing was loud, boy. We gonna plug in the inverter. We're gonna try this bigger inverter so we can plug more up. And plug that. We're using the Livion, a 1500 watt inverter. Now, when you're using the 1500 watt inverter on a 10 amp battery, y'all gotta understand something. This is gonna suck some power out. You wanna get something bigger, but for emergency, this is definitely good to have. Temu, TikTok, they got them all cheap. You can't beat it. All right, it's off right now. That's good. Got the green lights. That's good. See, what I like about this one is it got two AC adapters, and it comes with a 1.5 volt outlet, which is pretty sweet. So one side is for the USB, and it's green, which means it's good to go. You got the other side for the whole power, which is the AC. That's green, so it's good to go. The fault, nothing's there. It's a good thing. Let's start with the fan. All right, we start up with the fan. Seem to be. Show you how the volts is using. It's not bad for this fan. It's not bad at all. Let's plug up this. All right. hey, that's alright. But as y'all can see, it is running down kind of quick. So you know what that means? That means I have to get some stronger solar panels, because this is really eating it up. 100 watts, yeah, this is gonna eat this thing up, and this fan runs a lot. But like I said, for emergency, you cannot beat this. Not only that, charge this thing up right here. I'm gonna do it all three at the same time. Now y'all gonna laugh, because this thing right here, I can plug this up to charge my EcoFlow. Let me show y'all why this thing's still blowing. All right, let me show y'all this. It's charging up. Now this is only gonna be like 9 watts. It's 8 right now, but look at that. That is fire. So I got the inverter hooked up to this, the radio, the EcoFlow, and the fan. If you get bigger solar panels, this thing will be able to run all day. But at the same time, it ain't got enough sun. My solar panel over here is getting even a lot of, you know, sun power. If you got stuff, take it with you. It's very, very, very important. Very, very important. I want to see if I can hook something else up to this, but it only came with one. I wish I had another thing to show y'all. I don't got nothing else to plug up. I wish I did. The next time I come outside, I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna be washing clothes outside, and we're gonna bring the shower, the portable shower that we got. And man, that joint is pretty sweet. It's still running. It'll take 3 hours just to charge this thing. If y'all out there, a blackout, anything happen, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the video, man. Don't just be watching my videos and not liking, man. Y'all gotta like these videos so it can get to other people, get it up in the algorithm. You heard? It's your boy Dbonds. I'm Iz out.